Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the Alchemy tutorial class. We have already started the chapter on division. We have learned the different division fact, the different multiplication fact and so on. Today we will learn how we can divide a number without regrouping and how we can check the division. How we can check our answer. There are certain times when we are not sure whether the answer that we have got is right or not. So what we do is we can check the answer whether it is right or not. So let us start the class. I have written on the board a number 489 divided by 4. So let us start the division. How will we start the division? We will write 489 in the middle. We will make the division sign and we will write 4 this. I have already told you what is 489 known as. 489 is known as the dividend and 4 is your divisor. So let us start the division. We divide this 489 with the divisor 4. So let's see this number 4. As this is a one digit number, let us start the division with 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 ones are 4. We can easily divide it. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Now what will be our next step? Our next step will be, see the next number 8. Now what we do is, we bring this 8 down. Got it? We brought this 8 down. Now let's see the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 4 twos are 8. Again 8 minus 8 is what? 8 minus 8 is 0. Now which is the next number we will bring? The next number will be our number 9. Now let's start our table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 12 is bigger than 9. So we cannot write 12 down. So what we will write? We will write the nearest number, that is 4 twos are 8. So 4 twos are 8. Now 9 minus 8 is what? 1. What is this 1? This 1 is your remainder. And this 122. What is this 122? This 122 is your quotient. So which are the 4 words that are there in the division? One is the dividend, the divisor, the answer is known as the quotient, and the left out number after division is your remainder. Clear? So we got a quotient 122. But we are not sure whether the answer is right or wrong. Then what we have to do? We have to check. How do we check? See, I have written a formula. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula that you all have to learn. Is it clear? What is the dividend out here? Dividend out here is 489. Okay. What is the divisor? The divisor is 4. Now what is the quotient? The quotient we got is 122. And what is the remainder? The remainder is 1. Now what will be our next step? Next step will be, we have to divide 120. We have to multiply 120 into 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8 and 4 ones are 4. So what we got? We got 488 plus 1. What is 488 plus 1? 488 plus 1 is 489. So did we get the answer right? This 489 and your dividend 489 is right. It means what? Your answer is right. Clear, children? This is the way how we can check our answer. Always remember the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. After getting the quotient, you put as it is written in the formula, multiply add and you get the answer. I hope this is clear to you. If not, watch the small video for you. Just watch the video and enjoy. Thanks, and let's meet in the next class. Thank you.
Words to know. Division. Quotient. How can you divide larger numbers? Think about this question during the lesson. So far, 467 tortillas have been made. These tortillas will be placed in packages of 15. How many complete packages will be filled? Divide to find the number of packages of tortillas. Do you need to find an estimate or an exact answer for this problem? You will need to find an exact answer because each and every tortilla must be in a package. Estimate to help decide where to place the first digit in the quotient. There are about 30 packages of tortillas. Divide the tens. Multiply. Subtract. Bring down the ones and continue the process. Multiply. Subtract. So far, how many packages of tortillas will be filled? So far, 31 packages of tortillas will be filled. How many tortillas are made for the next packages? 2 tortillas have been made for the next package of tortillas. Check your work. Now you know how to divide larger numbers with 2-digit quotients.